Packing for the Kodiak 100 miler that is less than 1 week away. Of course, New Balance shoes, another brand new pair coming. This is just an outer layer, super light jacket. Gotta have a layer with a jacket with a hoodie on it. That's part of mandatory gear. Also this cool little collapsible cup, mandatory gear. It's supposed to be 5 ounces, so that's kind of cool. These are compression socks for my calves in case they act up. Duct tape. If I feel hot spots coming on my feet for blisters, which I will, I'll be taking duct tape. Take my sock off, I'll just tape it up like that, depending on where the blister is. There's Gaiters. This keeps the rocks and stuff out of my shoes. It's supposed to be getting cold, so we got a little beanie cap. Got gloves with mitts. These are Lululemons. You need some sunglasses. Gotta always be rocking the shades. And got a brand new set of Lucky hiking poles. These things are insanely light. They're pretty badass. Of course, running in the Solomon water vest. This is what we'll be carrying all this crap in, essentially. I've got 2 bladders. These are 2-liter bladders. This will be full of water. And then I've got a bunch of these that I'll end up having pre-mixed. So I'll have water in 2 of these soft flasks right on my boobs, right on about here. And these will have electrolytes.